Good morning all. Today's topic is sequence. Sequence n is a function whose domain is the set of positive integers. That is, which is a function from n to r if it is a real sequence. So the terms of are a1, a2, etc., an, etc. The nth term is denoted by a suffix n, an. So we can write some list of sequence of some sequences given in the example. The first I will do, the second 3 and 4 you have to do. Now our first problem, we have to list the terms of the sequence n by n plus 1. But this is an. Given thing is an. One more thing to be remember, this sequence is denoted by this type of brackets. This usually we denoted it for sets. That type of brackets is used for sequence. This for a here when n equal to 1 we will get a1 when substitute n equal to 1. So 1 by 1 plus 1 which is equal to 1 by 2. a2 is equal to substitute n equals 2. 2 by 2 plus 1 equal to 2 by 3. a3 is equal to 3 by 3 plus 1 which is equal to 3 by 4. So the sequence n by n plus 1 is equal to 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 4, etc. And when it is n, n by n plus 1, etc. This is the terms of sequence. Next sequence is root n by 2 raised to n minus 1. This is the term of an. So a1 is equal to root 1 by 2 raised to 1 minus 1 which is equal to root 1 by 2 raised to 0 which is equal to 1. Now a2 is equal to root 2 by 2 raised to 2 minus 1 which is equal to root 2 by 2 which is equal to 1 by root 2. a3 is equal to root 3 by 2 raised to 3 minus 1 which is equal to root 3 by 2 square equal to root 3 by 4. So an is equal to root n by 2 raised to n minus 1 is equal to 1, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 4, etc. or root 3 by 2 square, etc. root n by 2 raised to n minus 1, etc. The next two problems you have to do as a homework. Just substitute for n equal to 1, n equal to 2, etc. Next problem is find an expression for the n term of a sequence. Given the sequence is 2, 3 by root 2, 4 by root 3, 5 by root 4, etc. So this problem here, numerator of the sequence goes 2 when n for a1 it is numerator of a1 going to numerator of a2 3, numerator of a3 4. So the sequence is then it will go to numerator of n will be the term n plus 1. First term will 2 ആണ്, second term will 3 ആണ്, etc. So nth term it will be n plus 1 and the denominator of a1 is 1, denominator of a2 is root 2, denominator of a3 is root 3, etc. Denominator of an will be root n. So the nth term can be written as sequence is is equal to n plus 1 by root n, or the next sequence is 1, 1 by 8, 1 by 27, etc. So the numerator of A1 is 1, numerator of A2 is 1, numerator of A3 is 1. So etc. numerator of An will be, so it will be 1. Similarly, denominator of A1 is equal to 1, denominator of A2 is equal to 8, which is equal, denominator of A3 is equal to 27. So 8 is 2 cube, A3 is 27 is 3 cube. So similarly, denominator of An will be n cube. Therefore, An is equal to 1 by n cube. Third and fourth problem is given as an exercise to you. Next portion is recursive sequences. That is, sequences are defined recursively. That is, first term is defined, or first few terms are defined, and the remaining terms are defined by a rule to calculating the remaining terms of the sequence. Example, so recursively defined sequence. In that example is A1 equal to 2, A2 equal to 4, An plus 1 equal to 2An minus An minus 1 for n greater than or equal to 2. So നമുക്ക് A1 A2 ഉണ്ട്. Now we have to find A3. Put n equal to 2. So this value is 2 into A2 minus A, put n equal to 2. So 2 minus the, so A2 minus 1 is A1, which is equal to 2. A2 is 2 into 4 minus 2, 8 minus 2, which is equal to 6. A4 is equal to 2, A3 minus A2, which is equal to 2 into 6 minus A2 is 4, 12 minus 4, which is equal to 8, and A5 is equal to 2A4 minus A3, which is equal to 2 into 8 minus 6, 16 minus 6 equal to 10. So the sequence are which is equal to A1 is equal to 2, A2 equal to 4, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, etc.